Attention! Stand easy. Recitation.
اٹھائیں گے پھر مشرکوں سے کہیں گے تمہارے وہ شریک کہاں ہیں جنہیں تم خدا کا شریک گمان کرتے تھے. صدق اللہ العظیم.
سبز گنبد والے منظور دعا کرنا جب وقت نظر آئے آقا دیدار عطا کرنا. ایسا
پاکستان کو ایٹمی طاقت بنانے کا خواب حقیقت بنا دیا. صدر اعلی وقار نوجوان محض مستقبل کے خواب نہیں دیکھتے بلکہ وہ مستقبل تعمیر بھی کرتے ہیں. صدر اعلی وقار علامہ اقبال نے نوجوانوں کو مخاطب کرتے ہوئے فرمایا تھا نہیں ہے نا امید اقبال اپنی کشتے ویراں سے, نہیں ہے نا امید اقبال اپنی کشتے ویراں سے, ذرا نم ہو تو یہ مٹی بڑی زرخیز ہے ساتھ, ذرا نم ہو تو یہ مٹی اگر ہم بیدار ہوں.
Every shining medal, every roaring applause, and every inspiring success story lies a journey full of failures, struggles, sleepless nights, and endless attempts. Champions are not born; they are made. Made by their courage to continue when everything seems impossible. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine this: the greatest athletes, the most successful leaders, the brightest minds, and the richest innovators, they all had one thing in common when they started. They were beginners just like you. They were ordinary people with extraordinary dreams, and the world doubted them. But they refused to quit, they refused to surrender, and that decision turned them into champions. Every champion was once a beginner who refused to give up. Every champion was once a beginner who refused to give up. Do you know what makes a champion different from the rest? It's not refuse to give up. They ask you when your time comes, when your story is told, will the world remember you? Because remember this: every champion was once a beginner who refused to give up. Every champion was once a beginner who refused to give up.
Attention! About time. Prefects, take the command.